Welcome to my channel, your channel, Easy English Explanation by Pooja Joshi. Have you ever had a pet? Have you ever kept a pet at your home? Do you like your pets? I think the answer will be obviously yes. So, is your pet mischievous as well as mysterious? You must be loving your pets. But if they turn to be more and more mysterious and mischievous, sometimes you may feel fed up. So let's come to today's topic, that is NCERT Honeydew Book, Standard 8th, Lesson number 3, McCavity, the Mysterious Cat. So here we will know a story, a poem related to a cat who is very mischievous like you, as well as mysterious. Not only mischievous but mysterious. Rahasyamai. Now we will know about that cat who is an expert criminal. Always he is busy in doing the crimes, thinking about the crimes. So in this lesson I will tell you line to line, reading about the poem we will do first, as well as I will give you the meanings as well as word to word detailed explanation of the poem. But let's start the poem with something related to the poet. You should know about the poet who has written such a beautiful poem, especially about the animal such as cat. You love, when you were very small, you must be loving cats. So let's start. Here, McCavity, the Mysterious Cat. It's written by T.S. Eliot. You can see the picture of T.S. Eliot very clearly. Now, let's know about him a little bit. He was born on 26th of September in a place called Missouri, US. He was a poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary person, literary critic, and an author, editor. In 1914, he moved to England for settling over there, work and marriage. He won a Nobel Prize, an Order of Merit in 1948. Now, let's read first paragraph of the poem McCavity, the Mysterious Cat. Let's see the introduction here first. What's written over here? Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but McCavity is one for sure. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. McCavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the Flying Scots' despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I will tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. Then, his coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with the movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity, for he is a fiend in felon shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. T.S. Eliot. Now, see the explanation. McCavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. So let's see. Yes. McCavity is a mystery cat. Mystery means unknown cat. There are some secrets about McCavity. He is called the hidden paw. Hidden paw means always he stays at a hidden place. He keeps hidden from everybody. So his name is that hidden paw. He has got a different name, hidden paw. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Criminal, as you can see, one who commits a crime, who can defy the law. Defy means disobey, who does not follow the law and order. Now, you know the children about McCavity, that McCavity is a mysterious cat. Second name is hidden paw. McCavity is a master criminal, and McCavity defies the law, doesn't follow the law and order. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. Bafflement, he makes the Scotland Yard, the world's topmost police, he makes baffled, means bafflement means confusion, and the flying squad's despair. They become sad that they are not able to catch a criminal, because McCavity is such a high level master criminal. He keeps the Scotland Yard police on their toes. Always they are running after to catch McCavity, but they are not able to find anyhow. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. Whenever the police reaches, it has already flown away just like a wind from that place. Now, let's see stanza number 2. McCavity. There's no one like McCavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I will tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. So, McCavity here, what is said in the next paragraph? McCavity. There's no one like McCavity. Here it is said in the negative way that such a criminal minded, no one can be there. He has broken all the human laws. Even he has broken the law of gravity, means he is not kept stuck to the ground. He has broken the law of gravity. He seems to be flying. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. Here levitation means he is like flying in the air, floating in the air. That too without any support, like he is flying like a bird. Even a fakir will stare at him. Fakir means a person who does not own any property, who is just roaming in street, preaching the people, like you can say some saint or a sadhu. Fakir will also continuously watch McCavity or look at him continuously because of his powers of levitation, powers of flying in the air without any support. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You can search him in the basement. Seek means to search in the basement. That is the underground area. That is the lowermost floor or down the earth. You may look up in the air means you may search for McCavity in the air. But I'll tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. As usual, he is not able to be found out. McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him. You would know him if you saw him. That for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect, and his whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. He is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by-street. You may see him in the square. But when a crime is discovered, McCavity is not there. So, here what happens in stanza number 3? McCavity is a ginger cat. Ginger cat here means somewhat very cautious and mysterious cat. It's a kind of variety of cat whose color is also like ginger. He is very tall and thin. Now his appearance is described. That how does he look like? You would know him if you saw him. For his eyes are sunken in. His eyes are so deeply inside because he is always thinking and worrying about somebody. Here this worrying is about that how to make a crime and how to escape without being caught by the police. He always thinks of new ideas to commit crime and be safe. His brow is deeply lined. His head is highly domed. His brow means his eyebrows. Eyebrows are deeply lined as if he is continuously thinking about something. And his head is highly domed. Domed means shaped like a dome. He is continuously thinking of new ideas to commit the crime and not get caught by the police. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He does not care about his coat. It is very dusty and very, very dirty. He is not taking care or washing his coat. His whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers, the upper part of the lips, animals are having that mustaches type. Whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. He just keeps on moving his head from side to side, from one side to another side, like he is moving as if the snake's hood is moving. And when you think he is half asleep, we may be thinking he is about to sleep. He is just sleeping, but he is always wide awake. His eyes are always, even if they are feeling sleepy, but he will be wide awake. He is so cautious cat. Then McCavity. There is no one like McCavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape. Fiend means a devilish figure, a demon, monstrous figure, like demonly figure. In feline shape, feline means family of cat. He is looking like simple feline, weak, or like family of cats he belongs to, but he is a monster of depravity. Depravity means having all the immoral characteristics, immorality, which should not be there, the negative characters. You may meet him in a by street. You may see him in a square. You may meet him in a by street, any nearby street to your home. You may see in the square, the open portions where like a center of a town or a place where the four lanes meet. But when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. So what happens, children? Whenever we try to find out McCavity is not found out by anybody, is not able to be caught by anybody. He is a monster figure. McCavity is always thinking something, and McCavity is a master criminal. McCavity is just keeping the Scotland police on their toes and troubling them a lot. So I hope you must have understood the poem, and see you again in the next session. Please be very careful about yourself. Take care. Bye bye.